In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoom to Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your Acuity scheduling dashboard, you want to go to the left and you want to click on integrations. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to over here when you find Zoom, okay? So under video conferencing, about in the middle of the page, you're going to find Zoom. So simply click on the setup button over here below it. And then over here, you can click on connect Zoom and it's going to pop up a separate window in your browser. And this is where you basically have to sign in using your Zoom account. So I'm just going to type in the email address and password, or of course you can sign in with Google as well, which I'm going to do right now. So I'll just use Google for this one. Of course, it depends on which method for sign in you actually use on Zoom. It's up to you. And if you don't have an account, of course, you can create one as well. So whenever you do that, first you'll have to manage the permissions. So you can read all about this over here. And then you have to click on the allow button here at the bottom. And whenever you do this, it's going to authorize everything. And there we go. As you can see, you've successfully connected Zoom. So right now it says that my Zoom integration is still incomplete. So what I have to do here is basically select one or more appointment types. Now to do this over here, basically you're going to have to select this. You can click on select one or more appointment types. It's going to take you to this page in case it doesn't load automatically. And then here you can basically select, so you can create a meeting in Zoom when someone schedules. And then you can of course select one of your appointment types. I'm just going to have this consultation over here. And then Zoom settings are going to be, I'm not going to enable join before host, but I'm going to use personal meeting ID to create meetings. And then I'm going to do start meetings without video as well. And now I'm going to click on save. Now, whenever you do all of these things, as you can see here, there we go. It says Zoom integration is now available, and you can find meeting information in emails using this tag over here. And if you get any errors over here, you can basically go ahead and see what is wrong over here. So as you can see, it says the error that was received. You can try again later. So in case this happens to you, you can basically just try saving it again, or like refreshing your connection. And there we go. As you can see, now it's working well. Okay, so that's how to connect Zoom to Acuity scheduling. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.